Hi everyone, I'm Mirjan Hippolito, a Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, we're going to explore Bitcoin. It may seem like everyone now knows about this cryptocurrency, but for many, it remains a complex and unclear topic. Don't worry, I'll break down the fundamentals of Bitcoin in a clear and easy to understand way. Bitcoin is the first and most popular cryptocurrency in the world. But what makes it unique? The fact is, it is digital money that does not depend on banks or governments. It can be sent from one part of the world to another just as quickly as sending a message in a messenger app. Furthermore, Bitcoin operates on blockchain technology. Blockchain is a chain of blocks containing transaction information. Imagine a book where each page is a block. Each transaction is recorded on a new page and added to the previous ones. At the same time, the information is completely transparent and secure. It cannot be forged. Bitcoin was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous creator under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, it has become a kind of digital gold. Why? Because its total supply is limited to 21 million coins. This makes Bitcoin a scarce and valuable asset, especially during times of economic instability. Why do people buy Bitcoin? Investment for the future. Many believe its price will increase. An alternative to traditional currencies. Free from bank control. Protection against inflation. The number of coins is limited, unlike traditional money. Should you buy Bitcoin? The answer depends on your goals and knowledge. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is volatile, meaning prices can change sharply. Therefore, only invest money that you are prepared to lose. If you want to better understand the world of cryptocurrencies and learn how to trade safely, visit the Traders Union website. The link is in the description of this video. There you will find many useful articles and tips. Good luck with trading, and see you again on the channel.